students, today our topic is simple present tense. Okay students, today is Tuesday 14 July 2020. We are doing present indefinite tense. And first see what is the identification of this tense. It represents an action which is regular or normal or true, uses the base form of the verb. Uses the base form mean first form of the verb. We will use the first form of the verb in the present indefinite tense. When we write the sentences of present definite, we will use the first form of the verb. But in cases of the third persons singular, which are the third persons? He, she and it. These are called the third person singular. So with he, she, it, we will add s or es, okay, with the verb. So let's see the example. First of all, these are the important points when you make any sentence in present indefinite. So just first of all, keep it in your mind this table, that if the sentence is started with I, we, they and you, we will write only the first form of the verb, like play, eat, jump, drink, swim, okay. But when the sentence is started with he, she or it, we will also write the first form of the verb, but we will add s or es or sometime ies according to the last letter, okay, as we write in plurals. So play, plays. And in the same way, if the verb is different, in some verbs we add es and in some verbs we add s. So first see the structure of the positive subject. First we write the subject like he, she, it, I, we, they, you. These are all our subjects, are called subjects, or it can be a name of persons also, like children, like Ali, like any girl name Arfa, okay. So he plays cricket. He is the subject according to the formula, and we write the first form of the verb and then object cricket. So because this sentence started from he, with he, so if the sentence started with he, she or it, what we will use? We will use s or es with the verb. So in this way we add the s or es in the verb. And look at the next one. They play cricket. As when you will learn this this table, then you understand that when we start with I, we, they and you, we will not s or es with the verb. So because it started with they play cricket, we will not write s or es with the verb. This is the line of the verb. We sing songs and she reads storybooks, because again this sentence is started with she, so we add s or es with the verb. Okay students, to show the general truth and facts, add s with the original form of the verb. And students, add ies as I told you, the original form of the verb with the original form of the verb. What is the original form? The first form of the verb. So we will add ies when the verb ends with a y. For example, look at this example. This y changed into ies. For example, if the verb is study and the sentence is started with he, she or it, so we will add ies with the verb. This is the verb. See, she studies hard every night so that she can pass her exam. So study will be changed. This is the first form of the verb and it will change into studies. Okay students, in this way we will add es with the original form of the verb, means with the first form of the verb we will add es when the verb ends with s, sh, ch or o, then we will add the es form. Okay student, look here. Tommy watches television every night, because watch is the original form of the verb, means first form of the verb, so we add es with the watches. Tommy is he, so as I told you, with he, she and it we will add s or es or ies with the verb. So Tommy is a boy is he, so he watches television every night. Okay students, in the same way, es after sh, if the last letter of the verb is sh, like wash, the last the last letters are sh, so we will add es with wash, okay, because he, it starts from he, the sentence is from he, so with he, she and it we add s or es. So he washes his car every week. Look at another example where we add es. If the last letter of the verb is o, like go, go is the first form of the verb, because we have to use the first form of the verb in the present indefinite, so we will add s or es only with he, she or it. So what is this? My mother. My mother. Because mother is female, so for female we use she. Mother is she. So mother is she. So she, we add s or es with the verb go. It become goes. She, mother, my mother means she goes to the supermarket every Sunday. Okay students, as I told you that only he, she, with he, she, it we will add s or es in the with the verb, but because this sentence is started with they, so if the sentence is started with I, we, they and you, which form of verb will be right? We will write the same form of the verb. We will only write the same original form of the verb, okay, without any changes. So simply we write the first form of the verb. They eat dinner at 6 p.m. every evening. In the same way, the second example is we drink, because the sentence is started with we. So as you know, we just add s or es with only he, she and it. So this is not he, or this is not she, and this is not I. So with I, we, they and you, we just write the first form of the verb without adding s or es. So we drink orange juice every morning. Drink will remain drink. We will not add or change anything with the first form of the verb, because this sentence is started with we. In the same way, when the sentence is started with I, we also write the first form of the verb without any changes. You can see walk will remain walk, to school with my friends every day. Okay, now we will see the structure of the negative. So for the formula of the negative or structure of the negative sentence is subject. First of all we will write the subject, then do not or does not. Do not or does not, as I told you that do not is because there is no es, this is just only do not form, okay, but we add es with the he, she and it. When the sentence is started with he, she and it, then we choose only doesn't, does not. So then first form of verb plus object. Examples are she, because the sentence is started with she, as I told you in the positive sentences that when the sentence is started with he, she or it, we will choose es form with the verb. This is the verb, do is the verb, so we add es with the verb. She does not play cricket. The second one is they, so they